too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so na ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
Too much GH. Munyaba Equiescapa and so minimum edi yi. See the more munim no and some be a coso a war a year social media some fa a yenum to ni abaya Joyce Blessing. One a yenuknu Dave Joy. Na see the munim no and da a Ghana wahala ye jumedia dane da misi eja chiri semwa kotri brema no be the paper to eja efa our regua koso abaya Joyce Blessing one yenuknu Dave Joy no entem emache se ensem bi bebe to eja na ebusuafo ene dey abaya no ababonten ababa bekasa na ansa na yebekọ ne kasa no so ne yebekọ ensem bi emu ansa ne edru ne kasa wodi ebetu dwane akwakọ hu nsem a wodi etu abonten se etiefo enti na mama yembonra ensem no emu enum abaya Joyce Blessing wone nukunu Dave Joy womu ye awarefo bi o matena for 10 good years awoma wo nkwada ewomu nkwada miensa keto owomu krampo no jese won hyedan nyini ye bia wo no nkyeye na abusuafo awaresemu ntokwa wantwi ekoso awarebia de nim se yeden a mentime ho ase bi ebebem nanso so se obi a wo oye gospel musician na wukunu manage wone wa na ekọ na no wo ba den na ebetimi aya ebema mentime ho ase abana Ghana for dwen ho a wo mo entes na ebinu mu ne se enye no kre se ensem a ekoso no obi a no ye obi na pese ogu omo animu ase se de ye nuaba hima mercy de eba abontin yi ebebe ye na ebi no obi na ahyeda ye na adwen so pese wo sai wo mo animu anase ogu wo mo animu ase no nti na ode sa ensem wei abetu edwa na no ada abaya no ema ye hu se ade ne nani abre enya agro die krampo na wodi amache se ne kunu Dave Joy woko ni nuaba ehonum se woko akwa gine ba na che se awade guo no eno a eso na wogusu a che se wo hwe se wo betimi anya de children custody benya nkwada no ewo ne nchen enu nti woko ye kokopiemu ewo Dave Joy ni nua eba enchen se woko akwa gine nkwara na wo hwe ntokwa ekoso abusua na esewanim ensese ye kan ede echo na mama ye nkonkohwe ye wia na ato enkomo no eso
Cutting the your marriage. To me fear. Check out my friend. How long would it? Now I am madam for. You saw see I had no matching for 4 good years. I will maintain. That is not what you are saying. Yes, this week, I don't know say a man down and say when they say when we were to my bread. Only brother friends when the friend
hello, sister.
My husband.
Relax.
Me
afei betimi ayi ede ache mutimi wo se je se eni brepa ena aba na we ena ma je se magana fo bebre na o ma so nwem se ntia yampa aware yi egu obi a wetimi no wukunu atena motemo hotemo ase enu ntimu ye ma adwen se mo bekwa akwa ware na afei die mukoko ware na ma wo nkwada ewo mu a afei we sori a wose an manager ware hu biem entimi kwakojai ama Joyce Blessing etimi akwa oba ni efie so wo kwakwakoje enkwada na chese Ghana for dwen ho a wo mo ente ase na ehu ebehia se ye be etwia be enkrofo yi ida Dave Joy ana se Joyce Blessing na ye busa no ensem no nia ekọ se se de ye hu no sa na tie ana se ye ntawanta wabinti na ama sa no ma we koso na nya warija ye pese na ekoso na ebusuafo abaya no so eba bonte na wo baba betre mama Ghana for ya tensem a ekoso wo de wo baba beto bom kra mama ye kotie ne nsem a wo de etu edwanu enso
atuti me kan man kan ya no correct Islam me say it has been reported, or you have been reported, Zion Felix, just to mention a few, said, and no attempt to say we beg you now. And yet our real issue in America, no, there are 2 adults and no consent. Children, you have laws for Ghana, because I may come into the laws about children now. And I can't just say, what is here, and I can't do it. So because I may come into the laws now. I'm a legal assistant. I'm a paralegal, licensed paralegal from America. Because I'm a common man, no I catch them one. Obin to me Jehovah, obin to me Jehovah. And may your children's rights activists grandpa assembly family and family will make to be the one due. I remember buying a ministry of gender, children, and social protection, a whole ministry. Marriage issue, but we want to know whether you make an attempt to get your children and you were denied. Then, a man evident a home.
You, let us see. I think that you might be one more. You take the right path. And just about the country, but as I said, so the entire members of my discussion for now. Hey, I have lawyers and everything, so I will for someone in 2 months, into right thing, into at the right time. So make us out from one do that, but right now,
You don't want to talk about
yeah, maybe make us out from CCI.
Okay, so it means that. Sunday woke us said, "Would your mouth lawyers?" Then we believe said, "Assembly to do embarrassing."
Yes.
Another. That's an issue now, my lawyer. Okay, so who my ATS said, "Where the assembly my lawyer, no, I can't go on to." Now, I don't want to talk about it. And my speculations about.
Say I know Casaba now. You done that couple for. I didn't want and then said you knew where you should not be too much, but you just do the right thing.
I understand you, but you are saying, you will be with some sister or information or say kind message or phone. Well, I get you. But what may I say, lawyer that is a lawyer to one. Now, maybe you mean lawyer soon to an amount, not just assemble. That is assemble. You see, at the end, I you that. And I'm the near you at the museum why you get you. I didn't know how to
because I don't want to talk about it.
You say, I didn't know how to lawyer.
Artist, be a lawyer. Because a human okay, me will be because a human ye 2 minutes, so and he said, "Bear, never better to talk, not my soup." And he said, "Bear, be a contract be and nothing we go put out there.
That's what
I'm just saying the reason why you have to have
different from
the reason why you have to have a lawyer. The lawyer is there to defend you in everything. In your career, in your marriage, or be another contract, be our the lawyer is there to defend you. And I have a lawyer, and yet to say be said they will come.
Abusiafo wey ene ensem a yenua bayi ede atu edwa efa ye kwa okokwaje ne ma won the first video ye show ye no kwa okokwaje ne ma entokwa eba ye na ye busa ne sesei no den ne the next plan no sesei ne no bibia e won ne lawyer ensa no ka sem bi se obi a we celebrity anase obi a e won ne lawyer me busa wo a wo fi so we celebrity anase wo ye artist a e yampa se obi a won ne lawyer no de ono na aka na asem ene wode egu ehonum na chese sei no ensem ewo honum nyoma ekoso eden na betimi ama oba boafum na koma beba obeye na adwen se mekọ akwa me ma na in the first place den se obi a wo ma ware be matimi fa enkwadade koma ni nua ma se won hwe wo mu is it like say na problem no ewo honum ma chese actually because utie background nipa na no kasa was one nkwada na wo for so many years that means in chronic na ni nuaba no wo omutena ne nche no ache enti entokwa no start ye na bia afei na Ghana for aba bonte ama ye tie na say there because wo hwe na nsem ka ye ne nyoma ekoso a utimi hu se entokwa na say mentimi hu ase no esore ye ache by baaku anami omumienu eyo emergency ye be fight against it ye be fighting by ame baaku enu nti na ama enedei awariguo ne ho ntokwa ekoso atimi ababa abontina abusua say die yenim gospel musicians aye hwe wo mu Ghana for enim say we wotu nyamenyom wo kansem like wotu nyoma wo dey preach wo dey twa kra e dey akonyame nchen na say wo mu nyina eja ya ware yi say eden na wo mu ehwe mo wo mu so enyan fanfa hu wo let's say abofra na kwan a wo mfa so no wanyina wo mfiri hu enti say mabunu no den na gospel musicians you omo kire wo mu say wo mu ne wo mu kunu tena na say bia ya adwuma mu na wo mu bekwa ana wo mu nyina be ya adwuma ba ko a se ba ko enye dibre bia na se ba ko nya de na koma pa wetimi jai ware ana den because so hwe artist na dodo na man no side no e na tese mi bezi bebre na eja wo mu kunum wo mu dru empempe so bo mu se de o maso machi dware wo mu abetimi aye wo mu nyoma na tese no ano no wo matinkense de ebeka bia wo mu eni bibia eka efo ho wo mu nyoma dwe se wo mu betie eyi wo bia asem enti wo hwe se ne nyoma yi koya gospel musicians no man wo mu su ene wo mu ban kuo bi wo ma join wo music industry no na mo futu boni sei anase wo mo decision wo mo emeki so mo hwe so mo se so madu pepe so bia wo mo bi wo mo privacy wo mo hwe so mo kunu no mo no mo start emra na wo mo ni hwe no afi wo menya bib no ba be control wo manu nti ema wo mo de wo mo kohye sansem we mu anase eden wo dwen ho achese wo nti ase we akoye Ghana for bebre na adwendwen a wo mo su ene wo mo kwada na nti wo mo de atu edwa na ebinom ehu ne se there be ade ne de entokwa no anase mentime ho ase no efri baabi na eba ebinom so se yafa sobo no embo female artists na gospel musicians na man no yamfa sobo no embo ekuo na nkasa ebia efutuo bi ekoso enunti na madodo na ejai wo mo ayere no anase wo mo ekununum na abusua wo twa wo jaya ware asoba warefo a youth no looking up to you as a role model na wo jaya ware ebeboa ama wo career ejina because wo hwe wo mo jaya ware na dodo na ejaya ware ewi afi no wo career no obehu na ate abafom se de na enkane no wo mo anim wo mo esifa no se wudi no beba ba besesa se na wo de meses ayia na esese no sa edin no eba ba be free so eno no mo di nimu enti se wudi din fofo se ba out no ebe den se enkofo no besa age watu mu biem because edin a wode ba enka no wedi wo mo hwamo e wo ho eba ne sen na de wode ba out for no eno ebe kire se wo be stable e wo ho enti awarugu awaruja ya ekoso e wo eye female artist enyanum to kuo no mu no uhu ne se ebe boa wo mo ana se omo wo no ma papa bi e wo se wo mo enye emphasis because se awarugu enya ebe mu ewia Joyce Blessing enya de sem ni di ebetimi age ama ne ho so se de first ete because o tie ne nyuma dan da obo kunu samrane wogege ne so ema wo se like ne kunu ni ho a woni ho na afi den se de woni kunu eni wo no ma wo betimi awo ho no eden poten na ekoso na enkwada wo mu eja wo mu ewo akire nso aya na sa enyoma bi sei ekoso like you have to think twice. I was who no say den na society no ebe dwin dia for me ho den na enkrofo ebe because my preaching their church say we enye afemi ankasa na me eye na say enkwada no so ebe baba be ye stranded ewo ensem we emu enyoma ekoso no say de ani enya ye nua ba no ma ya te ase ama ye nyina ye hunu say de ekono enche awarugo no ebeba because ensema kwakodu lawyer wo ide enkwala de na eko enche na ene divorce nsoso de enam kwan so a eno nsoso eba na odi ne reply yi eba ye no ebinum nsoso eche wo mo adwen ede efa ehun na we ama ye nua eye Ophelia ede awode eba ye o say Joyce, I never thought this could have happened to you. For 10 years in marriage, please think about the children. One also so idea and was say now one jin did that idea we ebetimi esinanso so what now we are see 10 years and kwada wo o de senye be man na wa hya wo so wa ma we nya wo ho nyama wo pesa wo ye wentimi ando ho a wo de nkwada ne nti for woni eto wo mum ye nua bi so idea wo de eba ye o say these celebrities there, I don't know what to say. I don't know whether they are in some society that they are being influenced. You can't say Christiana Love divorced, or Human Mercy to we heard hers, and so many people. What is really going on? We have to look into those aspects also. And also, what they ever and no say Debbie say no wonim ebia na ekuo bi ewo eye gospel music ni mu a man no dodo na Johnny Tito ni awarefo no efutubo ni bi ekoso enti e wo say yenye de yendwedwemu na yenhwe de eba enunti ama wariguo awarija ye ekoso dodo na because they say no emebunu no ebe ye fed up with this gospel music because more can and some yenye say and so enye eno ena mo eye enti afen wo mo bebotwi abodompem akọ secular side no because eye den ya wo mo before wo mo cross no wo mo ka wo mo ho ebom wo mo ntan wo mo ho anase wo mo nkonkojai wo mo eye no mfa mo ni dia ba ko be ba bedi ni yon kwatem be ka na yire ho nsem and so still now wo mo da so epin ko no na koyesem ba no gospel side ne dia da bi enye sa ena etenti one Debbie no frano anase emabunu no wo mo bejai eyenyamenyoma na gospel music no etie akọ secular music ono so adwencha wo de eba ye enu no ye nua ye Martha enso ede wo de eba say whatever the issue is, whatever the problem is, you guys are adults. You have to sit down and talk about things. Don't let this ego thing take control. Please calm down and solve this problem sake of the children. One also so idea and abusuan he say they Joyce Blessing ababontin wa baba be chema me yom say no ye de ekoso Ghana fo ebebre kan divorce ni eyi ni nyina no eye no kre ama say ne lawyer nyina abem our pay the custody of the children adia aba ne side na just wo penkwala no se wo mo ememetena ne enchen na sei no ugidi se eye ekwan a wo fa so ne ebeboa anka se woni ne kunu ne etena esiesie ensem na wonhunu se anka numom ebetimi aboa afeva enkwada no much more than se wo kwakote wo mo ede wo mo afri eye papa no enchen na wono nko akwakwohwe wo mo no and now said there only decision na what taking no okay wa wo fi obetimi de wadwentre no atu edwa too much GH so ebiem nso so no chef mo abusuafo all the social media platform like your videos na fa wadwentre no atu edwa na mrepam no ye bekenkan ede amamo me amedi dwumede ho cha me din ene akua sikapa makram